Hey, digital marketing agency owner, one of the biggest challenge that I hear from agency owners every single day is the lack of momentum. That means that they don't have consistent leads coming into their pipeline. They don't have consistent calls scheduled on the calendar. And because of those two things, they don't have consistent sales week after week, month after month. That's precisely why my team and I are building an entire workshop dedicated to your momentum. It's called the Momentum Workshop. And the goal of it is that by the end of this workshop, this hour that you're going to be spending with us is going to be the most precious time. You probably heard the words like work on the business rather than in it. My hope is that you can take a minute to step back in your day-to-day hustle, busy life of yours and say, hey, where is it that I am trying to go with my business? And how can I make sure by the end of this year, by the next 12 months, that I can achieve the exact same goal that I set forward with myself? If you want to live in the same day-to-day grind, 9 to 5 or 9 to 8 or 9 to 9, and feel like you got a lot of output, but you're not making a lot of progress in your business, right? If you want to do that, that's great. But if you want to be like me, step back for a minute and really plan out, what's my mission? What's my plan for the next 12 months? How many leads do I realistically need to reach my goals? And how many calls do I need? And should I step away from sales? Maybe I need to hire a salesperson, a sales manager, and maybe I need to even bring in an operation person to get to where I'm trying to go. Like if that's the kind of strategic thinking that you're looking for 2023, I invite you to the Momentum Workshop that's happening this January 23rd. That's right, January 23rd of 2023. I need you to be there at 3:30 Eastern. Why? Because I'm going to help you step back and really see what you need to do so that you can step back right into action on the very next day and start planning what your January need to be, your February, your March, April, and every single month onward. All right, so I invite you with my team to take an hour apart. Seats are limited. The link is right below this video. Go ahead and register, and I will see you there.